Okay guys, so what we're gonna do right now is actually pretty cool. We're gonna play a compliment game. And to do this game, you first need to figure out which colors from the markers here, these Crayola markers, are the warm colors and which ones are the cool colors. So I've already separated my warm colors and cool colors. I want you to do the same thing at your table right now. Feel free to work together. Okay, so here are my cool colors. I have blues, I have greens, and I also have purple. Those are my cool colors. Okay, so we want to put those aside, and everybody can share all of the cool colors at the table. You guys have to, right? Because I don't have enough for every single person to have their own set, so please share. Here I have the warm colors, which are red, pinks, yellows, oranges. Okay, these are the warm colors. There are some colors in your marker bins that you're not going to use. We have black, gray, and brown. Anybody know what these colors are called? These colors, along with white, are the neutral colors. And for this game, we are not going to use these three colors. So I can go ahead and put those right back in the container for now. Okay, so for the compliment game, everybody is going to get a piece of paper. Actually, 2 pieces of paper. And you're going to be switching things around here in a second. So you really want to make sure that you know which paper is yours, because you're going to be giving it to different people in a minute. So you want to make sure you put your first name, last name, and room number at the bottom. So that's your home room number. So on both. Okay, so I have that on there. Okay, so you are also going to get the compliment sheet to help you out. When I start the timer, you guys are gonna get 2 minutes with your neighbor's piece of paper, and you want to thoughtfully pick out different compliments, different complimentary adjectives, words that describe your classmate in a very kind way. So you want to make sure that you pick out ones that make sense for that person. So you could take a second right now and start to look over all of these different words, and if you don't know what one means, well, it might not be the best idea to use it for that person, right? Maybe pick ones that you know. You can look at those other ones up later. And we're going to start with the warm colors. So everybody wants to have the warm colors handy, okay? You can write these anywhere on their paper, okay? You want to write neat, but you know, if you mess up here and there, it's okay, because you'll see what's going to be next. Okay, so the clock's going to start. You're going to end up with a whole bunch of compliments written out on the paper. So imagine that 2 minutes just went by with the warm colors, and here's what that paper might look like. You are able to add simple line designs and things on their paper, right? So 2 minutes, then you're going to pass it, and then 2 minutes, then you're going to pass it again. Okay, so we'll have 2 to 3 people write compliments about you. And you know, this is a really nice way to remember the keys to the castle, right? This is respecting others and using those kind words to write really nice things about your classmates, right? So we want to build a nice community within the class here. Okay, after we do the warm colors, we are going to do the same thing with the cool colors. And if there's anybody at your table that didn't get your paper, your warm color paper, you want them to get the cool color paper. Maybe you get the same person's paper twice. You can reuse some words if you want, that's fine too. So notice that I spread the words all around, and I added some simple line designs on there as well, okay? So this is the compliment game, okay?